Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Want to make $10,000 plus per month from home in 2025? Let's dive into the online income. 2025 is the year of change. Remote work is booming globally, from the USA to Germany, Canada, and Russia. But here's the catch. All right, let's get into the meat of it. Here are 3 proven ways to rake in that cash from the comfort of your home. First up, AI-powered online businesses. Leverage AI tools for content creation, e-commerce, and more. Platforms like ChatGPT can automate tasks and save you a ton of time. Imagine running a business while you sleep. Next, freelancing with high-demand skills. Skills like web development, graphic design, and digital marketing are hotter than ever. You can earn $50, $200 per hour, working from anywhere in the world. Fancy working from a beach? And third, passive income with digital assets. Create digital products, online courses, ebooks, or stock photography. Set them up once, and they'll earn money for you 24/7. It's the ultimate set and forget strategy. Now for the one secret strategy that can skyrocket your earnings. Building your own personal brand. People buy from people they trust. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or Instagram page. Share your story, offer value, and watch your income grow. If you found this helpful, hit that button and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. Comment below, what's your favorite way to make money online? Remember, don't wait for the future, create it today. The opportunities are endless.